Hi, Melissa. This is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over 3 helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the homepage, and your homepage is at 374 words, so we definitely want to get more content added. Another helpful tip would be having these images named as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at Reflections Dental. They are #1 organically for Cosmetic Dentist OKC. They have 1,244 words on their homepage. And they also do have their images saved as keywords. So 2 great ways to get ahead of them would be adding more keyword-enriched content and having images saved as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 20 and 20 out of 100. You get your trust and your power from these 414 backlinks. Currently, your website has 401 organic keywords, which is bringing 13 people to your website every month. This is Reflections. They're sitting at a 37 trust and a 24 power. They get their trust and their power from these 1.13 thousand backlinks. Now we can actually go in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 1,000 keywords, which is bringing 604 people to their website every single month. The last thing we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is any time your business name, phone number, or address are listed on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 46 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get. They're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I'll ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.